name's Austin Cooper, and I'm the founder and CEO of Delores Digital. Delores is a Black and BIPOC-focused digital health company and telehealth platform that lets people find and connect with doctors, therapists, coaches, and other health and wellness experts from the full spectrum of care. We recruit licensed and trained experts from underserved communities so people can engage professionals who uniquely understand their situation as a minority in America. And in addition to providing free resources and tools to help people become more educated on their personal well-being and the greater healthcare system, we also give them a series of engagement options to address concerns and questions and gain the skills to support themselves and loved ones in tough or clinically technical situations when other forms of care are slow, inaccessible, or causing doubt. Finding the exact support and tools your life needs has never been simpler or more affordable. Create a free account through Google or Gmail and instantly access 100% of our free resources. If you want a personal one-on-one conversation with an expert, find a perfectly qualified professional, decide how long you need to speak, whether a quick question, a 30-minute session, or a month of appointments, and get optimized support for as low as $1 with a plan. No matter what, Delores is here to help, but don't just take my words at face value. Hear from some of our experts firsthand.
My name is Bradford Hill, owner of Soulful Insights PLLC. 3 tips to incorporate into your day: staying on balance, taking time to check in, giving yourself some intentional breaks in between.
The pressure of the world creates a diamond, and it happens from just a lump of coal. And then actually the irritation of a speck of sand gets into mussel or the clam or the oyster. And then just through time, the irritation creates a beautiful pearl.
A marriage and family therapist, as well as a holistic life coach. You will see me posted as Tiana Beard.
I'm Inezio Boya. I'm actually board certified medical doctor. Started off as an anesthesiologist, very drawn to medicine because I was born apparently a natural healer.
The first thing that I would encourage people to do is to practice mindfulness meditation. It is a very useful tool that keeps you right in the moment, and whatever thoughts or emotions that you are experiencing at that particular moment, you're able to acknowledge, but keep right in that moment and not take it with you.
So my name is LaQuanya Hagray. I'm a licensed mental health counselor in New York State. Also in the process of becoming licensed in North Carolina and Georgia. Life will teach you to sit down, to enjoy yourself, to live your life, to take care of your health, your mental health, and your physical health.
So thank you again. Looking forward to speaking with you soon.